Hey guys, ever wondered why some simple kisses stick in a woman's mind forever, replaying over and over even when you're miles apart? You see, most men think it's all about passion or going straight for the obvious spots. But what if I told you the real magic happens in places that make her feel truly seen, valued, and safe? These aren't just physical, they create an emotional bond that lingers long after the moment's gone. Today, I'm sharing 5 unexpected spots women absolutely love being kissed. Spots that build deep connection and have her thinking about you constantly. Stick around, because understanding this will change how she feels about you forever. Let's dive in. Number 1, her neck. The neck is one of the most vulnerable and sensitive areas on a woman's body. Think about it. It's exposed soft, and she can't hide it like other parts. Have you ever noticed how a woman might tense up when she's stressed or trying to stay in control? That's because the neck holds a lot of that hidden tension. Psychologically, kissing her neck softly signals trust and presence. It's like saying without words, I'm here and you're safe to let go with me. It's not about aggressive or rushed moves. Picture this. You're close, maybe hugging after a long day, and you lean in for a slow, gentle kiss just below her ear, or a light trail along the side of her neck with your breath warming her skin. That subtle tease builds anticipation and comfort at the same time. Women replay these moments because it mixes desire with emotional security, something rare in everyday life. Do it with real attention, watching how she responds, and she'll melt feeling truly noticed in a way no one else bothers to. Number 2, her jawline. Now, the jawline might surprise you. It's that strong, defined line that shows her confidence to the world. But here's the psychology. When she's anxious or holding everything together, she clenches her jaw without realizing it. It's where stress hides. You might have seen this when you're out together, maybe during a quiet conversation on the couch. Suddenly, you lean in and place soft kisses along her jaw, starting near her ear and tracing gently down. It's unexpected, relaxing, and shows you admire her strength while helping her unwind. Imagine you're laughing about something silly, and mid-hug, you kiss her jawline lightly. That little surprise turns an ordinary moment into something intimate and memorable. It tells her, I see your power and I love being close to it. Women crave that recognition, feeling both strong and soft with you. These kisses stick because they're about respect and presence, not just attraction. Number 3, her forehead. A forehead kiss is pure, non-sexual affection that hits straight to the heart. In a world where women often have to stay strong and hide vulnerabilities, this spot screams comfort and protection. Think about real-life scenarios. She's had a tough day, resting her head on your shoulder. You lean down and kiss her forehead softly. Or when she's sharing something deep and you seal it with that gentle touch. Psychologically, it's like a blanket of safety. It says, you don't have to pretend with me. I've got you. Women don't forget these because they're rare and genuine. No lust, just love and support. It builds emotional trust that lasts, making her feel at home with you. Have you ever given one and seen her eyes soften? That's the magic. She'll replay it when life gets hard, remembering your calm presence. Number 4, her hands. Hands are incredible. They're how she creates, cares, gives, and even holds you. Most women spend their days being the giver, the doer, without much in return. So when you kiss her hands, it flips that script in the sweetest way. Have you ever noticed how rarely someone appreciates the little things her hands do psychologically? This touch taps into her need to feel valued beyond what she provides. It's pure appreciation. Try this. Next time you're holding hands during a walk or sitting together, bring her hand up and kiss the back of it slowly, or her knuckles playfully when she's teasing you, or a gentle kiss on her palm in a quiet moment. It's subtle, unexpected, and deeply romantic. She'll replay it because it says, I see everything you do and I want to give back. Hands hold memories too after this. Every time she looks at hers, she'll think of you and feel cherished. Number 5, her chest right over her heart. This one's intimate but profoundly emotional. The chest isn't just physical, it's where she carries her deepest feelings, stresses, and heartbeats. Kissing her there gently connects you to her core. Picture lying together after sharing laughs or a vulnerable talk. You rest your head there briefly, then kiss softly above her heart. It's not about rushing, it's presence. Psychologically, it meets her need for acceptance and belonging. Every woman wants to feel desired yet safe without hiding. In a cozy moment, no expectations, just a sincere kiss there. It whispers, you're everything to me as you are. These moments linger because they blend comfort with closeness, creating safety that has her missing you deeply. So there you have it, these 5 spots. The neck, jawline, hands, forehead, and chest. They're not about wild passion. They're emotional gateways that make her feel seen, safe, and unforgettable to you. Master these gentle, meaningful kisses, and you'll create bonds that replay in her mind endlessly. Which one resonated most with you? Drop it in the comments, I read them all. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more real dating insights, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Until next time, stay confident out there.